introduce our next Master of Shop Management. It is Dustin Goff of Ace Auto Doctor. Come on down, Dustin.
I was brought up reading them words in red. A man only eats by the work he did, and you don't stop till the sun drops. Yeah, I was raised up like a bass out the creek, and my roots run deep like that old oak tree. A lot of things change, but you can't change me. No, it ain't much, but it's how I was raised up. Mama said don't grow up fast, you're only young one, so make it last. Like a last sip of whiskey in that flask.
So I just want to start off by saying thank you to my grandpa for starting this company a very long time ago, back in 1969. He was a huge inspiration in my life and really guided me towards wanting to work on cars. The next thank you I want to say is to my dad, Larry. I can't thank him enough for all the things he's done and all the work he's put into the company to get it to where it was when I took it over. Makes me want to cry, you know. So, next time. And then my fiance, for all the late nights that we spent at work, you know, working hard, dealing with me at work and at home. You know, it's not always the easiest, but she really put in some hard work and, you know, worked with me on the business so we could make it what it is today. And then I'd also like to thank my team. Took me a long time to get a good, solid team, but I have the best team I think we've ever had, and I think we're going to do some spectacular numbers, you know, in the future with all our growth.